Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. I have my weekly grocery haul. This is mostly from Walmart with a few things from Price Chopper, which is a Northeast grocery chain. So I will try and remember to tell you guys what things are from Price Chopper. There are just a few of them. From Walmart, I got some multigrain Cheerios, which is one of the only cereals my son will eat, and he eats it dry like me. He doesn't have it like with milk. So I got his multigrain Cheerios, my cat's wet food, the Delectable stew. I got a small thing of the Dole mandarin oranges because I had a coupon specifically for $1 off on a Dole 4-pack, so I used that. I got more eggs than usual because last week I made some egg muffins and they came out so good, and I've been making them for years, but I'm going to start making them more often because I find that they're just so good for breakfast or lunch, and really portable. So I got an 18-pack of the normal eggs that I get. I got some mixed veggies because I'm going to do shepherd's pie one night for dinner next week, and this was like 60 cents in the frozen section. I grabbed these Farm Rich brand meatballs with grape chili sauce. If you've been watching my hauls for a while, I did get these last year a couple times, and I actually get them for football season because we do have people over sometimes for football. This is a bag of 46, so I will be able to get 2 servings out of this, depending how many people are coming, and I just throw them right in the crock pot, and they're really easy to eat and really good. I got some of these Pillsbury pumpkin spice rolls, and I'm really excited about these. Didn't even know they existed till today. I got a couple cans of soup, so I got Manhattan clam chowder and beef burrito. Usually my husband will eat these like for lunch when he's home on the weekend. I got some of the brown sugar cinnamon mini sweet potatoes. These were more expensive than I was kind of happy with. They were like 3 something, and I know they are a convenience thing, but I wanted to try them out. They were right next to the little potatoes that I've been getting if you've been watching my hauls. And by the way, I wanted to note, I have been saying since I've been buying those little potatoes, they were $1.88, I believe. And I was actually mistaken. Pretty much what was happening is the little potatoes underneath them, like on the bottom, were regular potatoes, like in bags, and for whatever reason, I was looking at the price down, which was $1.88. They're actually 3 something, and a few of you have DM'd me on Instagram and said, I went to get those potatoes, but they were 3 something, and I felt they were kind of expensive, so I didn't get them. And I actually agree. So I will not be getting those little potatoes anymore because I also agree they're too expensive. They were $3.67 or something. So these won't be a regular occurrence either. From now on, when I do the little potatoes, I will just buy them in bulk and make them myself and, you know, steam them myself because it's a lot cheaper to do it that way. So I wanted to mention that. Got some mushrooms to do some food prep. I'll probably roast these up. I got some of the Market Side Super Blend, which I love a lot. This is Brussels sprouts, Napa cabbage, kohlrabi, broccoli, carrots, and kale. And I love doing this with eggs or as a side dish. I got a big thing of green onions because I love these. I did get this marinade last week, and it was so good that I got another one. So I highly recommend this flavor as well, the tomato, garlic, and basil. And I think this would also really be good on seafood, like shrimp or salmon or something. So I did get another one just to stock up because I didn't want to forget about the flavor. I got a couple snack packs for my husband for next week's lunches. For snacks, I got the uncured pepperoni and cheddar and the turkey and pepper jack. I got a lemon for shrimp cocktail this weekend. I got an anniversary card for my husband. Our 11-year wedding anniversary is tomorrow. When you guys are seeing this, it's Friday, and our anniversary is on Saturday. I got 3 of the Muir Glen organic diced tomatoes because I love these for recipes. I got a couple pounds of grapes. They are really, really crispy, which I like. I like when they snap in your mouth. So I got a couple pounds of those. I also got a pineapple. I got this I'll cut up for part of our food prep for next week. I got a huge family size. I love this brand, the Rana brand. Cheese and uncured bacon ravioli, and Matt and I will be able to get 2 dinners out of this. It was more cost effective to get the bigger one, to get 2 dinners out of it. I got some cheddar cheese combos. Those are like one of my favorite all-time snacks. I absolutely love those. Price Chopper, I got this peasant bread from their bakery. It was on sale for $1.50. This is a huge loaf, and this bread is so delicious. Whenever we don't eat, or if that's even the case and it goes if it's starting to go stale, I will make some croutons out of it. I got some shrimp from the Price Chopper seafood department. They have a good seafood department. So I got some shrimp for shrimp cocktail, and I've just, every once in a while I go through a shrimp phase. I made a really good shrimp dish earlier this week and it was good, so I wanted to get some shrimp for shrimp cocktail. A lot of their cans were on sale at Price Chopper, so I was able to get for 69 cents this huge 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and tomato sauce, both 69 cents on sale. And then their house brand, which is the Pix brand, was on sale for 69 cents or 59 cents, and this is the super sweet corn and the dark red kidney beans, two things I use quite a bit, so I decided to get a few of them. I also, from the bakery, got some fresh bagels from Price Chopper. It's hard to maybe see, but they're really cheesy, so I got a cheddar jalapeno and a couple cheddar, and they put like an obnoxious amount of cheese, and they're so good. You can even see the burnt cheese on the bottom. When you toast them up, the cheese gets really melty. It's so good. I got a big bag of Reese's because that bag of candy I got last weekend is completely gone. Everybody ate it when they came over for football. And I really do like putting candy out in the fall. So I got a big bag of Reese's. I got some small bottled waters because I like to throw these in the side of my son's backpack and his cup holder. My son is notorious for losing cups at school. He's already lost one and we're only a week into school. So I know it's much more cost effective just to fill up a bottle of water, like a, you know, a regular water bottle, but my son will literally lose them, accidentally throw them out. So I just get these because it's just easier and I can't afford to keep losing like stainless steel water bottles. So got those. I don't know if that's everything, guys. I think it is. It was a little bit of a smaller haul this week because I've been stocking up each week. Previous has been a little bit bigger. So this haul was around $100. I don't know if I mentioned that. And I'm also going to share with you my meal plan for the upcoming week. Alright guys, so meal plan for the upcoming week. Sunday night, the 16th, we're actually going to dinner at my mom's house. No idea what she's making yet. Sometimes she'll do like traditional pasta with sauce and like meatballs or sausage, or it could be anything. And sometimes she does a barbecue. I think it just kind of depends on the weather. One night I'm going to do shepherd's pie with a salad. I have a recipe video on this. I'll link it down below in the description box. I'm going to do some chicken lettuce wraps with some sticky rice or Asian slaw. Not really sure yet. Actually, that superfood blend I could actually probably make into an Asian slaw. So I'm not sure yet, but I do have a recipe on these. It's like a P.F. Chang's inspired lettuce wrap. I'll link that video below. I'm going to do my pork sauce in the crock pot. I have not made that in ages because I have some bone-in pork chops in the deep freezer I need to use up. I will also link this recipe video down below. It's actually in a crock pot compilation video I did a while back. I just served that over pasta. I think I'll put it over either penne or ziti, and then I will have salad and bread as well. For my no meat night, I'm either going to do a spaghetti squash dish. I have found a couple good ones on Pinterest, or a butternut squash soup. My husband is not the hugest fan of either one of these. He will eat them, but he doesn't really like them. So possibly one of those, possibly maybe a veggie soup, like a minestrone soup, but just definitely something with no meat. And then I'm going to do the Rana, that cheese and bacon tortellini. I'll use half the bag, and then I'll freeze the other half. I'll do it with some pesto sauce, and then salad and bread. And then, of course, I have my freebie night where I can do breakfast, I can do leftovers, or I can just kind of freestyle it and do whatever I feel like I'm in the mood for. So I tried to keep it simple. Grady has open house at his school this week, or this coming week here. I think it's like Wednesday night. So it's just kind of a busy night. His therapies, you know, sometimes we don't get home till 5 o'clock on certain days. But anyways, this is the meal plan. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great weekend, and I will see you in a new video on Monday morning. Bye, guys.